Step into resort-style student and adult living at Spectra in Fort Myers, a luxury apartment community designed with sleek finishes and superb amenities, offering a vibrant lifestyle just minutes from Florida Gulf Coast University. Choose from spacious non-en-suites, 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartment layouts. Each home features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, wood-style plank flooring, spa-inspired bathrooms with walk-in showers, in-unit washers, dryers, walk-in closets, ceiling fans, and high ceilings, blending comfort and modern flair. Community life thrives with a heated pool with cabanas, tennis court, outdoor TVs, and wet bar. Dog park, car wash station, 6-acre rec park with walking track, fitness and yoga studio, clubhouse, computer bar, and coffee station. Playground, lakefront fire pit, detached garages, and responsive on-call maintenance. Located at 5500 Spectra Circle, Florida Southwestern State College and a new university, is a short drive away. Transit hustle-free through South Tamiami Trail at Emerson Square Boulevard, northbound bus station, or the Palmetto train station. For local bites and study breaks, stroll to nearby options like Naughty Parrot Oasis, The Eatery by Ryan, or Scooter Girl Cookies, all within a 10-minute walk. Ready to live in comfort, convenience, and community? Book your tour and secure your spot at Spectra today at amberstudent.com.